Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students. How are you today? I hope all of you today is fine, healthy, and always protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin. Amin. Okay. Before we get start our lesson, we both read Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. I have a video intro for our learning media. Okay, check it out. Okay, thank you. We can start our lesson today about rate of reaction. Specifically, reaction order and rate reaction constant. We can start. This is my identity, my campus, my major, about my learning media, my name, my nickname, and other symbol on this slide. Okay, there is the menu about our learning media. So the first is profile. Okay, this is my profile. My name is Irene Rafia. My name, my was born, my major chemistry, my study program chemistry education A, my address in Padang Pariaman district in West Sumatra, and until NIP by my lecture. And my lecture is Ma'am Eka Yusmaita SPD MPD. Okay, this is my profile photo for information. Okay, next. Okay, we back to we continue, go to the basic competence. Basic competence, our lesson today is 3.5. Is determining the reaction order and reaction rate constant based on experimental data. From the basic competence 3.5, we get the H indicator. The H indicator must be completed by our learning media today. There is explain the meaning of reaction order and reaction rate constant, recognizing reaction and equation, identify, explain the relationship between the components of the reaction and equation, applying, describe, determining, explain, and the last is explain the relationship of reaction with reaction order and reaction rate constant. Okay, we go to the menu. Continue about introduction of matter. Which are the reaction that is the green is the first image or the second image. The first image is the color image of the flame, the flower, fire, while the second image Okay, from the voice note, can you understand, students? Okay, I will explanation to complete about the explanation from the voice note. On this slide, have two feature 1 and feature 2. From the feature 1 and feature 2, what about you? Which reaction is faster? Feature 1 or feature 2? The answer is feature 1. Can you answer why the feature 1 is reaction is faster? Okay, if you can explain, we check out the reason in the following explanation by the next slide. Okay, can you understand, student? Can you explain what is the rate of reaction before we continue to the next slide? Or can you explain why the figure 1 is the reaction faster while the figure 2? From the explanation on the slide. If you can, I will explain on the slide. Explanation the characteristics of each feature. Feature 1 has 3 characteristics and feature 2 has 2 characteristics. From the characteristics of feature 1 and feature 2, can you see the difference of the characteristics in each feature? Okay, the feature 1 and feature 2 has the characteristics is different, have many different. For example, feature 1 quickly reacted with fire. Feature 2 not quickly reacted with fire. Feature 1 various flame color. Feature 2 no various flame color, but feature 2 marked with a discoloration of the iron. So, from the characteristics in feature 1 and feature 2, feature 1 is the reaction more than faster from the feature 2. So, in the chemistry, we usually or know about the reaction. So the two features are the example of the reaction in chemistry. Feature 1 reaction of the formation of a color of firefox. Feature 2, the reaction of rustic iron. So the two feature and the reaction in each feature are the example reaction in chemistry. So what is the rate of reaction from the phenomenon of rate of reaction? Can you explain? Okay, we check it out on the next slide. This is definition of rate of reaction. You can read on the screen and find the key word of the definition rate of reaction. Who can answer my question? Okay, the answer is the key word from the definition rate of reaction is fast or slow. A chemical reaction takes place is expressed as the rate of reaction. Specifically, fast or slow a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. The kind of chemical reaction are fast chemical reaction or slow chemical reaction. From the two features before is the chemical reaction complete the two kinds of chemical reaction. Feature 1 kinds first and feature 2 kinds the second kinds of chemical reaction. Okay. The next is reaction rate equation. Reaction rate equation with the information is the product between the reaction rate constant or K and the initial concentration of each reactant is rise with each of its reaction orders. So from the from the expressed by the explanation of the reaction rate equation, we conclude the reaction rate equation is R equal K A the power of X and B the power of Y. With the information, can you read on the screen? Okay, we continue for the next menu is the method. Method for our lesson today. Okay, for the first is reaction order. Concept. What is the concept of reaction order? The NO and H2 concentration are in positive line. Why is the difference in the reaction by different? Wonder why that happened and what is the relationship with the reaction order method. Check it out in the next slide. Okay, this is the concept of reaction order. You can see there of the table relationship with the reaction order. And can you answer the question why the NO and H2 concentrations are increased twice? Why is the increase in the reaction rate different? Why, students? If you don't understand from the question, I will spotlight. Okay, the concentration of NO is 1 and the rate reaction is 0.5. To become the concentration of NO 2 and the rate of reaction is 2, while the H2 concentration starting is 1 with the rate of reaction 0.5 and to become the concentration of H2 is 2 with the rate of reaction is 1. Saat 1, 2, 0.5, 2. 1, 2 must be times 2. 0.5, 2 must be times 4. Must be times 4. 4. 2 and 4. While the H2 1, 2 times 2 0.5, 1, 2. While the increase same with 2. NO 2, H2 2. While the rate of reaction increase is different in NO and H2. 4 and 2. While okay, for the explanation about that, we continue for the next slide. NO concentration at reaction order is 2, while H2 concentration at reaction order is 1. So, the first reaction order is directly proportional to the rate of reaction, while the second reaction order is proportional to the square of the initial concentration of the reactant. So, the increase in the reaction rate will be higher while the H2 concentration. So, what is the reaction order? Check it out in the next slide. Okay, from the first note, can you understand, students? From the end, from the question before? Okay, NO and H2 is initial reagent, same initial reagent, but different in reaction order. Reaction order NO is 2, reaction order H2 is 1. So, from the differences, reaction order in NO and H2 concentration influence to the increase in reaction rate. The NO concentration will be higher while the H2 concentration, because the reaction order is 2. Okay, what is the reaction order? Can you answer, students? The keyword on the slide is reaction order. Influence the higher or the lower the reaction rate. Okay. Okay. The reaction order express the exponent or power indicating how much influence the concentration of the reactant has on the rate of reaction. The order of the reaction can only be determined experimentally. Okay. The key word is the reaction order express the exponent or power indicating how much influence the concentration of the reactant has on the rate of the reaction. How much influence the concentration of the reactant has on the rate of reaction. This is the keyword of the reaction order method today. So, what is the graph of each type in reaction order? We know before reaction order is 2, reaction order is 1, reaction order is many kinds. Okay. What is the graph of each type reaction order? Okay, next slide. Okay, this is reaction order. The graph of reaction order each the number of reaction order. Reaction order 0 and reaction order 1, reaction order 2 have differences the graph. Okay, we look the problem. The problem connotes the reaction equation of Br2 plus 2NO to become NOBr with the information of the data. So, what is the order of reaction for NO? Okay, student, you can see the problem solved on the screen, but you must understand about the equation of reaction rate, or you must don't forget about the equation of reaction rate is R equals K A the power of X P the power of Y and next is determine the reaction order. Reaction order NO. To determine the reaction order of NO, the concentration of Br2 must be constant, namely in experiment 1 and experiment 2. Okay, the keyword on the problem solved. Next, after the equation for the reaction rate is that to determine reaction order asking from the problem and the reaction order at the concentration other not not asking from the problem must be constant. Look at the data from the problem. Experiment Y and experiment Y is constant. Okay, from this problem, the experiment is better to be constant is experiment 1 and experiment 2. Experiment 1 and experiment 2 is 0.1. So, we continue to determine the order reaction for NO. We is R1 over R2 equals Q1 over Q2 times BR2 1 to the power of X over BR2 to the power of X and R1 to the power of Y and O to the power of Y. Okay, you must include from the data with the information from the to determine the order of reaction. L1, what is R1 from the data? The number of R1, why? What? You can see on the screen with the bonding is the color is red. You focus on the number included this table. Okay. So until you found the number of Y is 1. So the order of reaction for NO is 1. Then next to method 2. Okay student, I hope you understand about reaction order. Okay, we continue to method 2. About reaction rate constant. For the first is concept plus definition. Reaction rate constant. We know reaction rate constant with the symbol is K. The reaction rate constant with the definition is the constant in the proportion of the reaction rate and the concentration of the reactants. The value K depends on the type of reaction, temperature, and catalysis. And until the value K can only be determined experimentally. Okay. Reaction rate constant can only be determined experimentally. From the equation of rate of reaction, we know that has the symbol of K. So the K is reaction rate constant. Reaction rate constant influence the higher of or the lower reaction rate constants. Reaction rate constants depends on the type of reagent, temperature, and catalysis. Okay. So way to determine that constant, students? This is the problems of rate reaction constant. Reaction rate equation of Br2 plus 2NO to become 2NOBr with the information data, and the equation is reaction order of Br2 is 0 and NO is 1. How much is the reaction rate constant? How much, students? Can you answer before we click make problem solve? Okay, the problem solve is before we answer the question, we must don't forget again the rate of reaction constant. R equals Ka, the power of X, times P, concentration, the power of Y. So, to determine the equation from these problems, we must know about the information from the symbol of rate reaction equation. So from the problem, we know that the reaction order are 0 and 1, and the total of reaction order is 0 plus 1 equals 1. So we get the result is Ka, concentration A. Okay, back to method 1. If you don't understand, you can repeat again with the concept, definition, determine, and graph of each type about reaction order, or you can repeat again about the method 2 at reaction constant, or if you complete it and understand about the two methods, you can back to home menu, the animation. In our learning media have two animation. This is animation 1. Animation 1 is H2 gases at 35 Celsius degree and H2 gases at 60 Celsius degree. Why is different from the animation? At the 35 Celsius degree, lower, faster, or lower? So while the H2 gases at the 60 Celsius degree, faster or lower? Faster, and the first is lower. Faster H2 gases at the temperature will be higher temperature, so the H2 gases will be faster. Okay. The next to the second animation. Animation 2 describe the H2 plus Cl2 gas to become to HCl gas. So, what do you think about the animation? The information with the information on the slide. H2 and Cl2 will be mixture. So, what is the format from the mixture H2 plus Cl2 is to HCl. What is the format of HCl? Okay, let's see the animation in on the bow. Okay, this is HCl. On the H2 plus Cl2 will be mixtures. Okay. If you understand and if you completed reading and writing about our lesson today, and so the next is you can continue for game quiz. I hope you understand about some question. I hope you understand all of them, the question. Okay. This is last slide. Okay, thank you students. Syukran and terima kasih. Okay, student, I hope you understand about our lesson today. If you don't understand, you can read and write again and again our learning media. This our learning media about rate of reaction, specifically about reaction order and reaction constant. Okay, thank you student. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry about our mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.